Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that things with you, how can declare the variable with the var keyword, right? So right now friend, in this video, I want to change it. In this video, I want to discuss about another two keyword for declaring the variable as a late and the constant. So in our this course, we will not use that var, always we will use that late and the constant. Now I want to show you with the live example. Right now I want to remove it. Now I want to declare another variable with the late keyword. So that is a late, okay, and late, and I just put one of the variable name as a price. I name it as a price, and price I make it as a 250. Okay, so that will be one of the our value. That means that is our keyword, that is our variable name as a price, and here I just put one of the value as a 250. And also I want to declare another variable with the constant. Okay, constant. So that is a constant. So with this constant variable, I name it as a name, and I just put one of the name as again Ariyan. That is a value as Ariyan. Okay. So right now, if you want to print it, I want to print it with the console log. So that is a console and then the log, right? So that is a console log. With this console log function, now I want to declare our both of this variable. Like one is the price variable, I simply paste it and then comma, and then another constant variable, I name it as a name. Okay, so I simply add both of these in here. And now if you click as a save all, and now I want to print it. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now passing as a 250, and also it's passed that name as a Ariyan. Now I want to discuss about what is the difference between that late and then our constant. So what exactly the difference between both of these? Like when you use that late, when you use that with the late keyword, that is our variable name, when you use it, then you can actually update this variable value. But into the constant, you cannot change it. I show you, like here I take another one. I take that same name as a price, and I just I want to update it as a 300. Okay, I make it as a 300. And now if you click as a save all, and now if you go, better I want to make it little bit here, then that will be better. I want to print it in here. Okay, so here I want to display it. So now if you click as a refresh, now you can see our value is updated as a 300. Okay, but here if there is a constant value name, this constant value I name one of the variable as a Ariyan. So here if you want to change it, like here I name it as a name, and name it I just want to change it as a Udemy. And now if you want to check it, like here I want to check it again, click as a save all. Now that should be display one of the error. Now click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now showing as a uncatch type error as a assignment to the constant variable at this position. Okay, you can see it's not, as I told you, when you use that late, you can update that variable value, but when you make it as a constant variable, then you are not able to change any data. I hope friend you can well understand about it. So that is the major difference between the late and the constant. So into the late you can reassign your value, but into the constant you cannot reassign your value. That is the main difference between late and the constant. So in our next video, I want to discuss about the data type. How can display the primitive type, everything one by one I will show you with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.